Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to try to make it as quick as I can. It's going to be a Done For You Suite 4.0 review. Now, what this software is, it's from Joshua Zamora. They're on version 4. This has been around for 4 years, since 2018, and he's had some of the biggest launches on JVZoo every time he releases this software. So I don't normally do these reviews, but I want to today because I do think that this is going to be a good product, and I wanted to show it to you. I'll show you the inside. I've already done a demo, and I've already actually created a campaign. So I'll show you what I did there. I'll show you a little bit of the inside of the tool, and then I'll show you one of the most unique best bonus packages I've ever put together in all of my years of doing online marketing. So let's get into the video. So this is Done For You Suite 4.0. Essentially, it is an auto backlinking tool, specifically social backlinks, and it's a content social syndication system right here, right? And they've done some really cool things in this version of it. I'm actually going to go and show you. So this quick list right here, obviously the software, you don't need to install any software. So it's going to be a cloud-based software. You get all the training that you need, but you don't really need a whole lot of training because it's really point click, copy and paste a link, type in a keyword and push enter. It's literally tell it how many backlinks you want it to create, and it's got a really unique drip feeding system as well. And you can control that. So there's really not a whole lot of training, but there is training in there if you do need that. But you don't need any previous SEO knowledge or experience. No social account creation needed. They do it all for you. No content needed besides the URL, no proxies or captchas, anything like that. Super cool stuff. All right. And then what's new in 4.0? This is very important. So they've added the Done For You Google Maps embedding for boosting local rankings. This alone is insanely powerful. So they are highly focused this time on adding in the ability to rank your local listings, especially if you have clients and you're running a business. This is very important because they're going to allow you to do Google Maps embedding. They're going to allow you to do business, Google My Business citations to skyrocket local rankings. Those two right there are extremely powerful. We've added Done For You Twitch embeds, right? So Twitch is very big these days, along with YouTube, obviously has been known as, and it's very popular, but Twitch is also becoming a popular streaming service. And so the fact that you can actually start ranking and doing things for SEO for Twitch means that they're staying above the curve, and they're coming out with the latest technology in SEO for this kind of stuff. And then they 6 times the size of their network since the last launch. They just got done adding 200 more sites to their network for a total of over 1,200 sites in their network. Super cool. We've also added 200, so I just said that, 200 new high authority domains. And then right here, they're going to, just like 3.0, Done For You Suite will provide Done For You rankings in any language or location worldwide. And then, of course, much more. Okay, so this is the sales page. You can go ahead and read through it. They've got all kinds of stuff in here. I like to skip through all the, make $1,000 a day doing this, blah blah, and just actually focus on what you could actually do with this software. So here's where it's talking about the Google My Business and the local rankings that they've added into the software. There's the citations right there. Okay, so very important stuff. There's a full demo. And the product, if you get the agency right now, I recommend only getting the agency one. You basically get access to all of it, all the versions up until 4.0 now, and then you get to start off with 2,500 credits. I believe 1 credit is a backlink, and then you can sign up for monthly subscriptions and things like that. But you get to start off with links. 2,500 starting credits, which is really good. And that's at $35, 34 something right now. And after the first 24 hours, that's going to go up $10. So it is going to go up to $47 tomorrow. So you really actually do want to get on here. This is literally the initial early bird discount, and then the price will go up. So you do want to get it right now. If you see this video and this timer is still going right here, you want to get it right away. Okay, so obviously they have a bunch of bonuses, and there's going to be some really good upsells as well. I think there's like 2 upsells. One of them you get an ongoing discounted rate at the monthly credits that you can get. Okay, so I wanted to show you what my bonuses are, and I recommend going and picking this software up if you want to rank YouTube videos, if you want to rank websites, if you want to rank your Etsy pages, you want to rank your Amazon pages, anything that you want to rank online. Obviously, more rankings, higher rankings, page 1 rankings means more money in your pocket. Okay, so here is my bonus package. I promised you that is going to be one of the best bonus packages I've ever created, and you can obviously click the first link below. It's going to take you to this page. You can read through it. And then there is a timer on this for only 5 days, right? And then these bonuses are going to go away. But look at this. Bonus number 1, PLR Profits Academy. I never give this out as a bonus. I am doing it this one time. So PLR Profits Academy, I've made tens of thousands of dollars from this course. This is my ongoing. I make daily sales at the $97 price point. This course could easily sell for $300 or $500. It's a over 3 hour long, over the shoulder video training course from me, teaching you exactly how I make money daily with PLR, private label rights products. And these are very unique ways of selling your your PLR products that no one else is doing and no one else is teaching this. So this is a very, very unique course that you won't find anywhere else online. It's my top selling course. I never give it away for free as a bonus, but I am going to today, just this one time. So if you, and I know you might be watching this and you already are a student. But I have a lot of other goodies in this bonus offering to offer to you as well. But I know that for the vast majority of you that you are not a PLR Profits Academy student, and if you want to enroll in this course for free today, all you have to do is just click on one of the green buttons right here and go pick up the product under me, and you will get access immediately to PLR Profits Academy. Okay, so very, very special. This is very, very special bonus that it's the best thing that I can offer you, and you're going to get that. Okay. You could actually, I'll just throw this in there to make money. You can actually use the knowledge that you gain from PLR Profits Academy, and then use a Done For You Suite, right? Use the software to go out and build a PLR business, start ranking your site online, or build a niche website from a specific PLR that you acquire. And then, like you could sell the ebook and then rank your website using Done For You Suite and then start profiting. Okay. So you can actually combine the two in a unique way to start making money. Okay. So, this is my latest course that I have released, and I have not talked a lot about it on Teach Me Money Methods. I am going to offer it as a free bonus. This sells weekly at $59. It's valued at more than this, but $59 is what it actually sells for. And this is how you can use artificial intelligence to create YouTube scripts, to create the video with literally, it will create the full length video for you, and then also do the voiceovers with human sounding. The best places to get the voiceovers that you're still going to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. And so you can do the entire thing with artificial intelligence software, and you don't really have to have any writing skills, any voiceover skills, or any video editing skills. You can use artificial intelligence to do all of that. I teach all that in this course right here. Okay. Then small YouTube, big profits. Many of you have this. I'm offering this as a bonus as well for those of you that have not picked this up. Long story short, I made over $13,000 with only 500 subscribers on Teach Me Money Methods. So this is basically a case study on how I did that. If you want to know how I got started on this channel, Teach Me Money Methods, and started making money, and now I'm I do this full time, then this is a great course. Over the shoulder training, 3 hours case study, and you get all that for free. Okay. And then this is my secret YouTube ranking method, because inside the software, you can actually, I'm going to show you when we come in here, but this is my campaign that I just created a minute ago, Hippo Video Review. And it's an actual video, and I'm going to use the software to do that. I'm throwing backlinks at it because that's a YouTube video. So if you combine my secret strategy where I rank in the top 3 for almost any video I go after, you're going to combine my strategy right here. It's a video, and then combine Done For You Suite, combine the both of them together, and that's very powerful. You're going to be able to outrank anybody, okay? And then I'm going to throw in this last final bonus on how to become better at SEO in less than a month. So you can get all this valued at $300 or more if you pick up Done For You Suite 4.0 through my link. Just go pick up and you get all of these bonuses. Pretty cool stuff. All right, so let's go check out the software real fast. So inside the software, we'll come back over here. What the dashboard looks like, this is going to be empty for you when you first purchase Done For You Suite. And all these numbers up here are going to be empty, but you are going to be able to see how many campaigns you have, how many backlinks you're building, how many credits you have and used. And then you have a quick tutorial navigation right here. If you need to watch a video on what to do next, then you can just come right here, or you can go to the tutorial sections down here, okay? Webinar replays, I haven't looked at that yet. Yep, they do have some webinar replays in here, right here, even one from last year right here. And so forth. So how you can use this software to go out and make money. There's integrations. It's just Spin Rewriter right now. And then the network info, I think this is really cool that they put this in here. 1,200 sites in the network right here. It shows all the stats of the domain authority, the page authority, and then right here they break it down by the domain extensions. You've got the .orgs, you've got the .coms. It's 38% are .coms, 22 are .orgs, 14% are .nets. You even have a 1% of loan. And then you have the UK and so forth. Okay. So then what you're going to do is very simple. Okay. This is not hard at all. You don't even have to do a tutorial. You would just come in here and you would go create new campaign. You would fill out your information. There's 4 easy steps. You push next and you push save. Okay. I'm going to go back over to campaigns and see if I can just show you what I set up earlier. This Hippo video review. Okay. I'll show you what a campaign looks like. Okay. So it actually goes out there and it created all this content for me on autopilot using their Create artificial intelligence. You get access to use that, and you don't have to have a subscription to Create because they're using their own system for this software for members of specifically for this software. Super, super cool stuff. So you just put your video URL in right there. Okay. And then you put in your campaign name, you put in you can select from whatever niche you want. You can put in your keywords and so forth. I'm gonna click on preview here. Link quality, quantity. I put 100, but depending on what package you buy, there's an upgrade too, where you can actually go up to like 1,000 or 1,500 links in one campaign if you wanted to. You can drip feed up to 90 days, and then they have an auto index link function with the agency package that you don't even have to pay extra for. So super cool. I guess I could show you how it's set up with the edit campaign, or you can duplicate the campaign, or you can cancel it. I'm going to say preview, and here is some of the content that it has come up with. And it also gave us a Hippo video tutorial. So here's the backlink, Hippo video tutorial, and that backlink is going to that video right there. Okay. So this is just, is great. What else can you say? What else can you do to get backlinks to your site or your videos or your Etsy pages? This is golden to be able to do that. Okay. So other ways that you can make money if you don't want to just go out and build your own websites, if you want to offer this as services, you can come over here to Fiverr. And right here I went over to local SEO because Done For You Suite has local SEO functions now. You can actually come in here and look at how much these guys are charging. Like here's a pro doing local SEO, Google My Business and website, starts at $100 right here. But even these people that aren't pros, look at this, starts at $75. We click over here. This is local SEO. And we click on this guy. Let's see how many orders he has in his bucket. So he has 14 orders in his bucket. He starts at $75. He'll do 1,500 map points, 50 high quality DA citations. We go to standard 175 and the diamond is 275. You can also get people to sign up to recurring subscriptions on Fiverr. They've made it easy for that as well. And then we're going to come back over into here, and here's another guy with has almost 1,000 reviews, starts at $25. Come in here, and this guy has 19 orders in his queue. People keep coming back, right? And then you can get the full package of $125. And we'll click on another one right here, and we'll open up another one right here. This guy has 1 order in his queue. And this guy has 14 orders in his queue, and he goes up to $110 right there. Okay. Another place that you could go and offer your services on is Legit. So if we go to Legit, and let's see, we'll go here, and you can offer, you don't have to do local SEO. I'm just showing you that you can get specific, because local SEO is very popular with real businesses. Then you have all these people getting reviews starting at $50 and so forth. So really, really good stuff right here. And then we can go to SEO and just say we want you can offer these as PBN backlinks, because that's basically what they are. You can come over here and offer more backlinks as well. Even just go over here and just do backlinks for people. And here we go. So you can see all the different backlinks, like right here, 400 Web 2.0 backlinks, 1,400 reviews, 4.9 starts at $8. So you could go in there and start a $10 to $20 gig and offer 500 backlinks, and you'd already be beating this person out. So there's different ways, unique ways to do this. All right. So if you want to go and get all my bonuses and you finally want access to PLR Profits Academy, if you thought it's too expensive before and you weren't able to pick it up, you can get it for free today just by picking up Done For You Suite 4.0. So click the link below and go check it out. All right. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.